Hey friends, I'm Jessica Johnson with Creators Couture, and in this series of short videos, we are going to go over the foundations of Photoshop wet paint mixer brushes. So if you're not already, you really should be taking advantage of these amazing color blending brush settings that have been in Photoshop since forever. And it's really simple. So within Photoshop, using the mixer brush tool, you can actually sample multiple colors at the same time and create these amazing dimensional color blending brush strokes. So what I've done for you is turn this process into sets of ready-made brushes with all of the settings already figured out for you, so that no matter what level you are in Photoshop, you can instantly create amazing color blending dimensional brush strokes. So no matter what brush collection you're working with, the following foundation videos are going to show you all of the basics so that you can understand the wet paint mixer brushes.